If you're a high achiever, crushing it in your career, but your fitness journey feels like a constant battle of starting and stopping, what I'm about to share might sound almost too simple to work, and that ironically is precisely why it's the only thing that will work for you. Most fitness advice comes from people whose entire life is the gym, but you're building empires, closing deals, and navigating a 60-hour work week. So I'm going to reveal what a 40-minute training week actually looks like for someone whose job isn't fitness, it's life. This isn't about the optimal plan. This is about the indestructible plan, the one that survives missed flights, chaotic mornings, and the relentless demands of your schedule. Let's be honest, you don't have an information problem. You already know the basics. Lift weights and eat protein. Your real enemy is friction. In business, we automate critical processes to eliminate willpower from the equation. Yet in fitness, we try to white knuckle our way through complicated multi-day splits that crumble under pressure. When work gets intense, fitness becomes optional. And in a demanding life, optional is the first thing to disappear. We're not just building a physique, we're building a default setting for your health. The minimum viable protocol, 3 sessions, 40 minutes maximum. And here's the key, full body, every single time. Why full body? Because your life is gloriously, unpredictably chaotic. Think about it. If you're on an upper-lower split and you miss Wednesday's session, your entire week feels lopsided. You feel like you failed. And so you quit until next Monday. Sound familiar? Full body training is your insurance policy. If you only manage 1 session this week, you've still stimulated every major muscle group. No progress lost, no starting over. You simply pick up that 3rd check mark whenever your schedule allows. And you'll notice something else, 0 dedicated cardio sessions. Not because cardio is bad, I love cardio, but because habits break under pressure and we're building an unbreakable foundation. Strength training is the anchor. It offers the highest return on investment for your metabolism and long-term health. When time is scarce, those 30 minutes on a treadmill are the first to be sacrificed. By removing dedicated cardio from the requirement list, we eliminate the guilt. We create space for consistency. Lift first. Everything else is a bonus, a choice, not a burden. So how do we execute this? We don't wander aimlessly. We follow a circuit-based standard operating procedure. 1, lower body, a squat or a lunge. 2, push, a press movement. 3, pull, a row or a pull-up. 4, hinge, a deadlift or kettlebell swing. 5, core, a loaded carry. 5 movements, 3 rounds, 60 seconds, rest between rounds. You're not there for entertainment. You're not there to scroll Instagram. You're there to punch the clock. Get the work done and get back to your life. The workout doesn't have to be fun. It just has to be done. Picture yourself 6 months from now. You haven't missed a week because the bar was intentionally set low enough to clear even on your most challenging days. Your clothes fit better. Your energy levels are consistently higher. And for the first time in years, fitness isn't a project you're constantly working on. It's simply something you do. It's integrated. Simple plans survive, complex plans die. Choose survival, choose consistency. In the next video, I'm breaking down the no tracker diet, perfect for busy professionals. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. And if you want a visual map of this exact 3-day split, comment the word week below and I'll send it directly to you. Let's make fitness indestructible for you.